Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get military discount on Hulu because they have actually started offering this discount with partnership with the exchange. Okay, so you do get Hulu with ads and you receive a 25% off of the monthly subscription price. So you just go to the exchange website, click on shop now and sign in to your exchange account. Of course, you can go ahead and sign in as well or sign up. Then what you do is click on authenticate now, which will redirect you to the Hulu website. Now, you must be an authorized shopper verified through exchange to receive this offer. So verify yourself, put in your military ID, make sure you verify yourself. Then you just enter your email address, create a password, and enter your payment information. Okay, once you have done the subscription, you just open Hulu and start streaming, and your subscription will automatically renew on a monthly basis at a 25% off of the current retail price. And it's really that easy and simple. So, if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.